Hello everyone. So today we are going to continue our discussion and our classes regarding email marketing. And in our email marketing, we have discussed about the niche and everything else. So for this one, I have created another campaign. It's a fitness accelerator, and right now this is the lifetime revenue, and we are going to move towards the tutorial and basically discuss what's going on here. All right. So now what we need to do, right? I have some notes prepared here. One second. All right. So we had already discussed about the niche, and in every niche, the one thing that has to be kept in mind is always choose a niche that people who can pay, right? That's the audience that we are going to target, and people who can pay, and then people are already paying for, because it's easy to go for the audio for the product or for whatever service you're creating that people are already paying for. And if you can save money or provide better service or product on same amount, right, on same price, as you can say, product on same price. So please keep all this stuff in mind. So on the niche side, let's go and let's discuss our niche. So on the niche, what we were doing was we were talking about horses. So for horses, what we had already discussed, let's just go back to our notes. We had already discussed that IG is the best when you are starting out, because it already has what? A passionate audience. Right? So it already has a passionate audience, and that's why we have to move with IG. But if you go with the blog or if you go with YouTube, it's going to require, YouTube is free, but it's going to require some effort, right? Of course, because you have to create what? Long form videos, right? And for blog, there are domain expenses, domain and hosting expenses. All right, so I've already written it here, domain and hosting expense. So I hope you understood what I was trying to say on this particular part. We had already discussed all these things, from what I remember, but if we haven't, for blog you have to buy a domain and hosting. For YouTube it's free but require more work, so we are going to go with IG. And one more thing, always pick a product or service. Pick a product or service that is more than $20. Never go for less than $20 when it comes to email marketing, because if you do that, there is a very high possibility that you may end up making either losses if you are buying an email list. And now one more thing that I wanted to discuss: how do you build an email list? There are two ways to do it. With a pop-up form, it's going to take time, or you can buy email list. Now here's something that I want you guys to listen good. All right, and we are going to discuss it for next 3-4 minutes. You have to be very, very clear about this. Buying email list, it's a whole another niche on its own. First of all, let's just talk about buying email list before we move forward. So let's just talk about the audience. So let's say you with a pop-up form, or you buy the list. Pop-up form is going to take time and work. All right, a lot of work actually. To buy, you just need to just go and buy it with money. Now, what is the thing that I want you guys to be very, very careful? GDPR. All right, What is GDPR? GDPR is a rule that basically says it's a law. It says that you cannot go for any person's email or any person's data that has not given consent to you to send emails or any kind of marketing material. All right, and this is mostly applied in EU, but for US also you have to be careful. So what do people don't buy or sell your email? No, in every market your data is already being bought and sold. All right, there are places where you can buy email lists. Do I recommend you to do that? More importantly, do I recommend? I think if you are really good at marketing, then go with pop-up form. If you are not good at marketing, if you are buying the list, be very careful, because especially if you are going with the EU market, they have strict laws regarding it, and even in the US market your email server can get banned, and these things happen, and you have to be very careful. So this particular part, I want you guys to keep this thing in mind, and I want you guys to remember it for the rest of the time that you are going to do email marketing. This is something that's been going on for last 10-12 years. When I was starting out, this was a problem. Right now it's a problem. So yes, there are places where you can market without worrying about all these things, because most of the time people don't complain, they just look at the mail and ignore it. But if they don't, your email server can get banned. What are email servers? I have already told you guys about it, but let's just say you don't remember. I'm gonna show you. Email marketing softwares. All right, so what you are going to do is, so this MailChimp, right? This MailChimp is an email marketing software. So let's just go here. So for 2026, this Active Campaign, OmniSend, Instantly, Kit, Beehive, HubSpot, Bravo, MailerLite, GetResponse has been around for a while too. Resend and MailChimp. They are all basically what? They are all email marketing software. You can see the prices also. Some of these softwares are actually free for at a certain time. I would recommend, if you are starting out, go with Beehive. Beehive will increase your chances, and we had already discussed about this, but let's just check what time it is. It's already 8 minutes, so we're going to discuss it in the upcoming part, where how to decide the campaign that will give you the best response from whoever you send your mails to, and how do you even start sending mails when you are buying out the list. You have to be very careful, guys. Pay very clear attention and write it down. If you don't remember all the things, please write it down, because this is very important, very serious stuff actually, and I want you guys to have the best quality experience and best quality results from the email marketing. So please remember all this. So we're going to discuss in the next part about the content and the quality of mails. All right.